What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this Nissan Silvia S13. I've been very excited to do this. I personally really do enjoy this set, and I do like the wheels a lot on this set. I know that some people were complaining about the wheels, they don't like it, so there's been a lot of people leaving it back because of that, but I think that the wheels look really good, especially with the rubber tires on them. It makes it look good together. But yeah, let's get this thing open. Alright, there we go. Here's the backing. And there it is, the car and the truck. So this is another one of those trucks that has the opening back that the car can slide into. And it doesn't really tell you what truck it is, it just says, what does it say? It says Sakura Sprinter. So, yeah. But the truck is a die-cast, that is metal, and then I believe this piece is plastic, and then it has a metal chassis, so it is built well. It's not like the M2s, how they're making them out of all plastic now. There it is. And yes, so there's a little bit of plastic in there holding it out, so you can see the car. And here they are. So the inside looks like that. Just it has like one of the little grip to the bottom of it, which is nice. The little flip down thing goes all the way to the ground, and then yeah, it closes up nicely. The wheels look really good on this one. They are different from the S13, but they are in the same color. And then, as I was saying, the front piece is metal. And then underneath here is metal also. So yeah, built very well, rolls well. I'll put that in the turntable in a minute, but let's check out the S13. I really like this gray design to it. Really nice wheels. They look so good with those rubber tires. The wheels really do complement those rubber tires nicely. And then the livery looks pretty cool. But it is in like a very sparkly gray paint. And I think it looks really good with the S13. There's the back. License plate says 23, and it has some nice details on the back. The front is also detailed well. It's hard to see though. But yeah, this is a really great casting. I mean, it's been in Hot Wheels. They've made these S13s, I don't know how long, but they've made them for a while. But I think this might be the first premium that they've made of it, or maybe not. But it is definitely a really nice S13. So we'll throw it on the turntable for you guys. So there is the truck, guys. It looks really nice. I actually am realizing that the back bumper, I think, is plastic because they have paint on that part. Yeah, it looks like it's a separate piece to me. The front grille also looks like it is separate from the metal. It's cool the way that they put this one together. It's a really nice truck. One of the better looking trucks out of the ones that they make. And obviously, we get these team transport sets for the car. And then you're stuck with the truck if you want it or not. So I have a whole bunch of these trucks with their cars next to each other on display, because I want the cars that are in them. And normally if you wait, the cars that are inside these team transport set come out in premiums anyway. Like the Mountain Drift R34 was in a team transport, and it came out just recently in that 2-pack with the R30 Mountain Drift wide body. But it is slightly different, like the livery is different, but the casting itself is the same. So generally, if you wait, you'll be able to get these things in either single pack premiums, double pack premiums. But this year, they're doing a really good job on their team transport and on their premiums. I want to get that Lexus set that comes with the BRZ. And what else? Oh yeah, I got the set with the 60s cars, the double pack. Hopefully I'll have the entire set there, R34, R30, the 60s cars, and then the Lexus and BRZ, so we can open it all up at once. And yeah, stay tuned for that, because we should be able to get that running soon. But yeah, there's the S13 on the turntable. It looks really nice. I'm personally starting to collect more premiums than I was earlier. Like, I really wouldn't. I liked premiums like a year ago, but I'd still be, you know, big into mainlines, and now I could see why people are liking premiums and stuff like Mini GT, but I still like the mainlines, but I think that the premiums is much better for display, the way that they do them, because it looks, you know, so much nicer. But yeah, there's the S13. Here's the truck. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'm going to do actually a photo at the end, so stay tuned for the end, because I'm going to show a cool photo. I'm experimenting with this certain lighting system. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, do all that. I don't know when I'll be posting this, because I'm currently demonetized, not from any strikes or anything, just for some different information. But yeah, keep collecting, and I will see you in the next one.